Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping in. I have a box from Boom Beauty and I have my Macy's beauty box for the month. We'll do Boom first. How this opens. I did slit the tape. Let's see what's in here. I don't know if these pertain to... I love that they send me products. Okay, this doesn't. I think that's just an advertisement about glasses. So we have one product here that they sent. Right? Boom Silk. Let me show it to you. One body, one moisturizer. I'm trying to think if I've had this before. I honestly don't know. I've received quite a few products and oh, this is sealed. It has a seal on it. I'm going to break this seal. Sometimes I have to use teeth. Not necessarily the best thing for your teeth, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I can't get this off. Okay. Okay, we'll just take it off. We'll get it off one way or another. There you go. So this is what it looks like. So is this more of a balm? Oh no, it's soft and pliable. It's just like a, and I don't know if it's because it's cold. So let me see what that feels like going in. Because it felt greasy. So it's on my hand. Let me see if my fingers feel greasy. Once that, no, they just feel moisturized, not greasy. I mean, it still looks a little greasy on my hand. I don't mind that maybe at nighttime as long as it's not sticky. And it's not sticky or tacky at all. So that would be a good, I mean, I could use it for my body too if I don't want it on my face. No scent, which is, I appreciate that. So let's take the seal off. So I'll give that a try. I mean, this, even if I didn't want to use this for my face, knees, elbows, you can put it on your décolleté, things like that. However you choose to use it, but that is a nice product. Nose is runny today, I'm so sorry. 2 ounces in that. So I'm happy to try that. We'll put that to the side. And then we have the Macy's beauty box here. I did actually see a sneak peek and I was like, I think next month is supposed to be like a really good one. So starting off the year, like I said, I saw something on their website because I didn't get billed for my box till late. And I was like, am I not getting it? Because, you know, sometimes they just delay. But then I was like, ooh, I saw what's next month. I didn't get to see this, but I saw a post and I was like, oh, I don't, you know, I try not to look around at stuff, but you see stuff. This is the Best of La Mer skincare. Okay, maybe that's why. So here I have that, and I have $5 off my next $20 beauty purchase from Macy's. It always comes wrapped up in pink tissue. Maybe that's why. I thought it was, or is this the, I'm not sure what I saw. Maybe it was this. Maybe they, I don't know, maybe they changed things up. Beautiful. That's like a shiny, like a cobalt blue. That's a cute little bag. And that says La Mer on it. And this stuff is expensive. So maybe that's why it's tinies. So we have 2 foil packs, which I'm not a fan of. And this is what I saw. But I knew the brand was expensive. But I'm still thinking, ugh, foil packs. I don't like them. So the first one is a moisturizing fresh cream. Little foil pack. And then this one is rejuvenating night cream. So probably day cream, night cream. Could probably, maybe 1 use out of that. Then we have something real tiny. I have my magnifier here for that. I don't know. Moisturizing cream. Look how tiny this is. Tiny, tiny. But, you know, the tinier. Now, my hands are going to be slick. I got it. So, I mean, at least it's full. Probably get maybe 1 use, maybe 2. They do have a scent, but more like a clean, fresh scent, La Mer. But they, like I said, are pricey. So then the next 2 are small tubes, too. And eye concentrate. But to give them a try, to give the brand a try, I mean, like I said, it can be pricey. And I think they have skincare and makeup, La Mer, if I'm not mistaken. Tiny but mighty, as they say. And then this one is the Essence Foaming Cleanser in this little box. I mean, I'm happy to get the brand. I have something else from them. I don't know what it is. Might have been the moisturizer. So another little tiny tube. But like I said, tiny but mighty. Their stuff is good. And I love the bag. I might put that in my handbag. That feels nice. And it does say La Mer on it. La Mer. I should say, not La Mer. So that's the Macy's Beauty Box. I'm excited about the brand. That's about it. And I like the bag. So, you know, the products are tiny, but, you know, you got to deal with small samples sometimes. So that's my Macy's bag. Tell me what you think. And that feels nice on, from the Boom product, feels nice on my hand now. It just adds, like this hand is very dry and not shiny, glowy. This one feels so much softer and has a sheen to it. So that would be nice on your face, like on makeup days, and where you just maybe do all your skincare, put that on, and then just do lips. Like I would do always lipstick, brows, and I could, you know, get away with everything else. But I like that, and we'll give that a try. I should put it on the other hand so one doesn't look all dried out. But let me know your thoughts on this one. Kind of disappointed on the sizing. Very, very tiny, but I'm happy for the brand, like I said. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.